Hey y'all, I know that we just did a video from the car last week, so I do apologize for that, but we have a really exciting video to make today. I accidentally was searching on Facebook, which is something that people who are sort of animal collectors should never do, but I found the perfect animal that was needing a new home because the home that they had was not working out for them. So Lane and I are off to go and pick up our new animal friend. We thought we would take you along for the ride and introduce you to the newest Stony Brook Farm family member. Been wanting to add an animal like this to the farm for quite a while, but I have just not been able to make it work out until today. So I'm really hopeful, I'm really excited. Unfortunately, it's a long 4-hour trip, 2 hours there, 2 hours back. You'll see that I am in the Acadia, so it's not a big, huge animal, but it is going to make a big impact on the farm and on our home and our homestead. I'm really excited. Lane, did we get a new animal? Who is it? There she is. Hey girl. Hey girl. Are you excited? Well, there she is. A big fur ball. A new Great Pyrenees. She's a 2-year-old full-blooded Pyrenees that was in an environment where she was sort of confined to too small of an area, and that is a major issue for most Pyrenees dogs. If they are in an environment where they don't have a job and they don't have enough land to roam, they do not do well. So her owners asked if there was anybody that was willing to take her and give her plenty of room to roam, and I was very excited about that opportunity. Her previous owner just left teary-eyed, and I know why, because these dogs are so quick to just enter your heart and fill you with such joy. I appreciated them giving me the opportunity to take her and put her to work on the farm. I'm really excited about introducing her to Belle and all the other animals. We're gonna go and get her checked out at the vet and then get her home. We will let you know how the vet visit goes and show you her being introduced to Belle in just a minute. My hair probably looks looks like I've been in the car all day, but we finally made it to the vet clinic. Want to go see the doctor? Hopefully she'll get a really good checkup, and she's gonna get her vaccinations that she's due, and she's got some mats on her back, so I'm gonna see if maybe they can do something with that, or if that's something I need to do. I will let you know how it goes when we get back in the car. Hey, that was good that we went in there and got her checked out. She checked out just fine, but she has an ear infection. Maybe both ears had an infection, so they got that taken care of. That was good. That she's choking on. I gave her a peanut butter cracker. They got that taken care of. She had some mats, and so they were able to get rid of those a lot easier than I could, so I went ahead and asked them to do that. And otherwise, she got a really good report. She is actually in heat, so hopefully she won't run off. Hopefully we can keep her from having puppies for right now. We've got plenty of work for her to do. We're really excited about bringing her along. We're really hungry, so we're gonna head home and get us some supper, get her introduced to her new farm family, and I will keep you posted on how she does integrating in with all of the rest of the animals. Come here, girl. There you go. We got you a friend. The puppy is adjusting really well, and we are really excited about having. So she's true to her breed, does not to have two more eyes on him. Birds. Really thankful that you came along with us today to get our new friend. I love you. I'm thankful for you. I hope that you have a wonderful and warm weekend, and I will see you again next time.